bobbin winding, threading, and features on this Montgomery Ward J277F. So it's got the hidden bobbin winder that a lot of Happy Made machines from Montgomery Ward had. And so we have to open the door, flip the winder out, clutch nut on the end of the machine, drop our thread on one of the spool pins on the back. We've got a thread guide on the back of the top of the machine, thread guide on the front of the top of the machine, and then come over to our tension button here, put our thread into the hole on the side of the bobbin, pop the finger down, with the bobbin wound, we can fold our bobbin winder away, tighten the clutch nut on the end of the machine, and then use either of the two spool pins on the back, same two guides on the top of the machine, and then we go out around the tensioner. And this is a Happy tensioner, so it's got the spring here and then the finger stamped in the side of the tensioner. We go behind this guide through our take-up arm, back through this guide, and then there's a guide inside the door, so the thread will pop into this crack, and then a guide on the needle bar clamp. And the guide on the needle bar clamp is a bit odd shaped. I don't know if this one is bent or if that's a design for twin needle threading, because the loops are separated enough that you could put two threads through it. So through this guide, and then the needle threads from front to back. This is a front load class 15 machine, so the bobbin here goes into the case, unrolls clockwise, comes under the crack, gets pulled out under the spring here, and then we insert it with the finger facing up and pop it in place so the finger goes into the notch.